Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga for a toned body. Let's get started. Stand on the top of the mat. Toes, heels touch, knees together. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend your knee. Let's take chair pose. Bakasana. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, twist your upper body to your right. And shift your weight toward your heel. Breathe. Knee together, keep your hips square. Sink your hips lower. Inhale. Open your chest, lift up your sternum. Exhale, twist your upper body to your left. Keep your knee together. Hips square. Maybe gaze toward the ceiling. Shift your weight to the heels. If you want to challenge yourself, lift up your toes. And inhale, back to center. Exhale, straighten your knees. Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway up, spine long. Crown to the tailbone. Exhale, bend your knee, plant your hands. Step back or jump. Exhale, chaturanga. Feel free to bring your knees down or directly to upper facing Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Make sure keep your toes straight. Press 10 toes down. Widen your collarbones. And exhale, downward facing dog. Either knee down, tuck your toes, or directly to downward. And inhale, right leg swing up. And exhale, between, step between. And back heel up. Keep your hips square. Inhale, arms up. Crescent lunge. Inhale, exhale for 1. Keep your hips square. Back heel pressing against invisible wall. Lift up your back knee. 3. Engage your left opposite hip forward. 4. Soften your shoulders. And 5. From here, straighten your knees. Back heel keep it up. Inhale, exhale, front kneecap lifting up. Inhale, forward. Okay, keep your core engaged. Straighten your arms. 5 breaths. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now come up. Back heel down. Warrior 2, bend front knee. 1, 2 arms, 1 line, shoulder blades together, open your chest. 3, 4, knee bend toward the pinky. And 5, keep your knee in the same position. Reverse warrior. 1, 2, soften your shoulders. 3, 4, and 5. Back to center, straighten your knee. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, reach. Go to Trikonasana. 5 deep breaths. 1. Make sure top shoulder, top hip rotating backward. Bottom shoulder, bottom hip rotating forward. Revolve your upper body. Back heel pressing down, outer edge of back foot pressing down. Inhale, full expression of this pose. And exhale back to straight center. Reverse Trikonasana. 1. Both kneecap lifting up. 2. Four corner of your feet pressing down. Soften your shoulders. Expand your chest to breathe. And inhale, next exhale, back to straight center. Okay, bring your arms down. Back to plank. Inhale, exhale. Chaturanga. Upper facing. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. And step between your hands, back heel up. Inhale, arms up. Crescent lunge. 5 breaths. Front knee. Reach shoulder pinky. Back heel pressing against invisible wall. Stretch out psoas. Keep your hips square. Back knee lifting up toward the ceiling. Soften your shoulders. Inhale, exhale, relax. Both knees straight. Inhale, hands on your hip. Exhale, forward bend. Keep your spine straight and extend your arms. 5 breaths. 3, 4, 4 corner of front foot pressing down, and 5. Now, warrior 2. Inhale, exhale, open your arms, front knee bend, back heel pressing down, very strong. Arms one line. Shoulder blades together, expand your chest. Stay there with me. Keep your knee bent. And from here, without moving your knee, peaceful warrior. Don't tension up your shoulders, shoulder relax. Create space between shoulders and ears. Back foot pressing down firmly. Keep your knee, front knee bend. And straight back. Both knees straight. Inhale. Exhale, reach front finger, forward, forward. And press your hand floor over ankle. Drishti gaze up to the ceiling. Make sure forehead higher than chin. To protect your neck, align your neck and strengthen. Revolve, rotate your upper body open. Imagine your shoulder hips are one plane, as if you were standing against invisible wall. Inhale, exhale, up. And reverse Trikonasana, triangle pose. Both knees, kneecap lifting up. 10 toes pressing down. Relax your shoulders. And keep your pranayama, keep breathing. And back to center. Propel your hands from plank. Inhale, exhale, hug your elbow, chaturanga, Uba Mukha Shavasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Shavasana. And downward facing dog. Inhale, exhale for 1. Breathing for 2. Breathing for 3. Tailbone toward the sky, heels down. And breathing for 5. Back to plank pose. So we're gonna do side plank here. Bring your right hand center. Turn your body to the side. Okay. If it is too much for you, I invite you to bring knee down for support. Or if you wanna do side plank pose, feel free to do so. And gaze up. 5 breaths. 3. Use your hand to lift up your waist. 3. 4. Make sure bottom waist is lifting up. And 5. Now back to plank. Okay, now left hand center. Turn your body to the opposite side. If you are looking at the ceiling, make sure forehead higher than your chin. And this waist don't drop, lifting up toward the sky. 4. And crown to the heel, one line. And 5. Back to plank pose. Downward. From here on your toes. Bend your knees, step or jump. Inhale, halfway up. And exhale, Uttanasana, forward bend. Inhale all the way up. Hands heart center, Namaste. Ready for a good workout? This is a perfect sequence for it. And check out my other video in the comment section. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!